Manipur University Council, Desam Manipur University Council has issued a stern call to take appropriate action against individuals implicated in malpractices following reports of irregularities during examinations held for the PhD recruitment examination by the Education Department of Manipur University. In a press release issued by General Secretary of Desam Manipur University Council, Santos Khaidem, emphasized that the department conducted an entrance test to recruit PhD candidates on April 29th, with results declared on the same day. However, on May 1, it came to light that additional 11 candidates were deemed eligible, sparking suspicion by Desam. In response to these concerns, Desam promptly submitted an application to university authorities urging for thorough inquiry to address public doubts and alleviate the concerns of affected students. Subsequently, an inquiry committee comprising 3 members was convened to conduct a comprehensive investigation. Following the inquiry, the committee recommended annulment of all processes related to the previously conducted entrance test, prompting an official order from university authorities. Furthermore, on May 25th, Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension announced plans to conduct re-entrance tests, further indicating the involvement of the previous examination conducted by the Department of Education in malpractices. Consequently, Desam asserted that those implicated in such malpractices should face penalties as per university regulations, ensuring that such incidents are not repeated. The Council urges that the perpetrators be publicly punished before the last day of the new entrance test at the university, emphasizing the need for transparency and accountability. Additionally, Desam calls for the exclusion of the head of department and professors from the Department of Education in any future selection processes.